Hello bluebells, hello sunflowers. I miss you all so very much. But I'm here today to show you a fun activity that you can do with your parents at home. It's about our theme, rainbow, and you're gonna do a rainbow necklace. What do you need? You're gonna need some pasta, some penny pasta, or any other one that you can put the string through. You're gonna need some food coloring, actually any color that you have at home. And you're gonna need some vinegar and a plastic container and the string. The only one that I could found at my house was a shoelace, so I'm gonna use this one. All right, first I'm gonna show you how you're gonna dye the pasta. I'll just show one color, all right? So you open the plastic container, put the pasta inside, put some of the food coloring, and then the vinegar. Only 1 teaspoon of vinegar. All right, then you close the container, and the fun bit is to shake it. Shake it. Then you see all the food coloring is on the pasta. You just need to put it on a baking tray and let it dry, preferably under the sun. All right? Okay, so let's do the necklace now. I have some red pasta, orange, green, blue, and another orange, a darker orange. Actually, this one is supposed to be yellow, all right? Okay, get the string and you can just have fun. You can put one of each color. The first one you need to tie this way so it will not get out, okay? And then you just keep putting the colors the way you want. You can put all one color, or you can choose different colors any way that you like. You can even count how many pastas you are putting on your string, all right? When it's done, tie it together and you have a beautiful pasta necklace. I hope you enjoyed. I see you soon. Bye.